What do you think of these pictures? There are a lot of colorful whales. Would you pay for something like this? Like, I can take a screenshot of this, right? But this image is sold for £290,000, approximately $400,000. And the person who made these is a 12-year-old boy. These are called NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Because NFTs are unique, basically when you pay and buy an NFT, you own that NFT. That NFT belongs to you. Don't say who would pay for something like this. They do. What if I got into the NFT business? Maybe a video like I try to make money with NFTs. What do you say? I'll keep that in mind, but now in this video I will show you how to upload and sell an NFT. There are a lot of sites to upload and sell NFTs, but in this video I'm gonna show you the OpenSea. When we enter this site to create an NFT, you can go to the top right corner, click to the create here, or you can just simply click on that create button. You can also click explore and see what other people sell, the other NFTs on the marketplace. Like this monkey here. The price is 1.7 Ethereum, $5,600. Okay, now let's create an NFT. For that, we click create, and after clicking create, it says you need an Ethereum wallet to use OpenSea. And basically for that, we are gonna use MetaMask, but if you don't have MetaMask or you prefer something else, you can click use a different wallet and see the other wallets such as Coinbase, but I'm gonna go with MetaMask. So I click get MetaMask and it sends me to the MetaMask original website. From here you can choose Chrome, iOS, Android, whatever you're gonna use, but I'm gonna go with Chrome, and basically you add MetaMask to your Chrome as an extension. After that, when MetaMask gets installed, it just opens a new tab for you and it says welcome to MetaMask, and basically all you gotta do is click get started. So from here you can choose no, I already have a secret recovery phrase. If you have already used MetaMask, you can just sign in, or you can say yes, let's get set up, and you can create a new account. I'm gonna create a new wallet. So I click create a wallet, and after that you just click I agree, but of course you have to read them. I did. And you create a password for your wallet. Let me do that. And then there is a video telling us how to be secure, protect our wallet. I mean, I suggest you watch that video since it's just 1 minute video, so just watch it, see what they tell you, what you can do and stuff. I did watch that video too. Now, this part is important, so listen to me carefully. This is the part for our phase, our secret backup phrase. So here it says, click here to reveal secret words. I'm not gonna click here so I can show it in the video, because you need to be the only one who knows that password, those words. And you're gonna need them if something bad happens, or just when you try to sign in, it might ask you for a secret backup phrase. And you're gonna need them, so save them. Ha! You didn't save them? Now go back, because you're gonna need them. I told you. So basically the website, just to make sure that you save them, it asks you again, tell the website what was the secret backup phrase. Ta-da! Our wallet is ready. Of course I have 0 Ethereum, but this is my account. So now let's get back to the OpenSea. After getting to OpenSea, just refresh the page, and if there's no sign in button, just go to the main menu and come back to the create section and then click sign in. After clicking sign in, your wallet will open, and from here you're gonna choose your account obviously, and click next. Click connect. So there's a signature request. Basically you're gonna click sign in, confirm, and you're gonna open your OpenSea account. And immediately after that there is the creating a new item. From here you create your NFT, you upload your NFT, you give it a name, maybe you can type a description, since it matters, because people might buy the NFT because of the history, what it's behind the picture. So it might be good writing a description if there is one. Then you can choose your collection if you have one, which you will have one, but not yet because you need to create one. But don't worry, just keep going and the website will create one immediately after creating your NFT. And also you can choose stuff like that, properties, levels, stats, unlockable content, which that is basically the buyer will see the NFT after buying the NFT. Maybe you can do that too. So I made a change and I'm gonna use my own NFT, I mean a pixel art. So after you do everything in this page, you just simply click create. You can also choose the coin that you're gonna sell. If you're gonna sell with Ethereum, you're gonna choose Ethereum, or maybe you can prefer a different coin, but I'm gonna go with Ethereum. And our NFT is ready. We created our NFT, but the NFT is not in sell yet, so we need to click sell from here. And now we're gonna choose a price. We can choose set price, highest bid, or bundle. I'm gonna go with set price, so with a fixed price, I'm gonna put it like 1 Ethereum, and it says $3,300. You can choose that. and it said $1,600. Then we can choose include ending price. So basically this is if that NFT doesn't sell, let's say it's months and it's not selling, the website will automatically decrease the price, and like you can say 0.1 and it can go down till the 0.1. You can schedule the NFT so people would see the NFT but they won't be able to buy the NFT if you do that. After that, there are the fees. 2.5 the OpenSea gets, so basically you can do the math and erase that 2.5% of that price and you can find how much money you will get if that NFT sells. Now click post your listing. After that, the MetaMask will open. Yep, and here it says that you need to pay $73 fees. At least I can say you pay just one time this on OpenSea, but on other sites, NFT sites, markets, you pay for every NFT that you upload. But on OpenSea, you just pay one time for your first NFT, and it says $77 fee. Well, it goes up, it goes down, so I would suggest you, if you want, you can wait a bit and see if that goes even further. $70, so I could have paid $90. I've seen $90 here, but like that, if I waited, I could save $20, even more. 63. I think that's because you pay with Ethereum, and Ethereum is a crypto and it can go up, down, so that changes the price. $58, and that's the max fee. Like you can pay up to this, but that changes too, so I don't know, just wait a reasonable amount for you and then confirm. So I'm not gonna confirm because I don't even have that much money. Basically, after that, your NFT will be live and ready to go to get sold. And if you go to your profile, you can see you can edit your profile picture, your banner, your name from the settings, like from here, your bio, your email address, links and stuff. And you can also create a collection. So if you go to our profile, we can see that there's our NFT, and if we go to our collections, we can see that it says already we have a collection, so it created automatically for our NFT. You can upload more NFTs in that collection. And what do I mean with collection? Basically, the weird whales that we saw in the beginning of the video, they were a collection. Whales with different backgrounds, and like some of them wearing hats, cigarettes, chains, I don't know what you can think of. Basically, it's the same idea with different apparels. And if you want, you can create a collection from here. You can put a logo, a features image, banner, name, and you can set a URL for that. Like, of course, we won't be able to use that since it's already existing. Yeah, it's already taken. Or you can write a description explaining your work, that collection. You can choose category, links, and this is the important part, royalties. So let's say I put here 10%. When someone buys my NFT and decides to sell it for profit, I get 10% fee. Let's say he sold that NFT for $1,000. I get $100 because I created that NFT in the first place. You can do that, maybe you want, I don't know, it's up to you. You can choose your blockchain, your payment tokens, you can choose a different token from here. There are multiple tokens, and you can choose your display theme. That's just appearance. You can choose padded, contained, or covered. It's up to you. It's just appearance. That was all you need to know and do. Basically, you can make money even if you're a kid. But you know what else kids do? They play video games. But can they make money playing video games? I don't know. I try making money with video games in this video here. So you can go to that video too and see if I can make money, if we can make money playing video games. See you over there. Bye bye.